look at your practical book on page 28. Okay, what it says, read the instruction. Color the living things. Color the living things. And circle the non-living things. Circle the non-living things. Okay, what do you know about living things? Let me explain to you. Living things are things that can move, can grow at different sizes from small to big. They grow and they run, they walk, they talk. All these are living things. Okay. See, butterflies, they can fly. You see? See, butterfly can fly, bird can fly, they can walk, all these living things. And trees, they can grow from small to big. And then flowers, also they can go nicely, grow big, and then also sometimes they die. They can't live long. So they are living things. They can swim. So these are the living things. And people, we are living things. We can walk, we can talk, we can run, we can do many wonderful things. As a human being, we can do so many things. So these are living things. So they go in sizes from small, from baby to big, like a mommy and daddy, all these things are living things. Okay, what is non-living things? Non-living things can live for many, many years. The sizes will be the same. They can't grow, they can't run, they stay in one place. Okay, they cannot even breathe. Living things can breathe. You can breathe or not. If you're okay, hold your nose and cannot breathe. Okay, that you can breathe. You take in the air, but this non-living thing, they don't need any and don't need water, don't need air, they don't have to breathe. So these are non-living things like rocks. They don't need food to do anything, don't need. So they are always like that. You don't have to feed them. They always be like these rocks, you see. These are the living things, non-living things that in the park you can see. So sometimes you can see rock, pebbles, water are non-living things. Sun also not living things, even though it's move also, but it's not a living thing. Wind also not a living thing. You can see wind blowing in the park, or it's not a living thing. Okay, the bright sun is not a living thing. Sun is not a living thing. Okay, all these are not living things. So they don't need anybody to go and feed them. They don't need any food. So they are called non-living things. Something that don't need food for living, don't need air to breathe in, they call non-living things, such as seesaw, slide, all these benches, light, they don't need food. So they are non-living things. And living things, they need water, they need sunlight, they need air to breathe in so that they can move from one place to the next, so they can live longer. So these are living things and non-living things. Okay, let's look at your book. Okay, what is the color the living things? So color the living things, these are the color the living things. Trees are living things, grow long, grow big, and then they go on different sizes. Okay, and bird, they can fly, they need water, they need food. So they move from one place to so this is the living thing. So light pole, this is not a living thing, this is non-living thing. So circle the non-living thing, circle the non-living thing. This is not. Okay, this one is no. You don't need food. Does it need food or not? Bench, you need food or not? Do you need water or not? Don't need water. It will be like that. So this one don't need water. So does this need water? Yes, it needs water, so you color. So this one, butterfly, they need food. They go to the flower and they get their food over here. So the flower also, they need water, they need sunlight, they need air to grow. Okay, so this is a living thing. Living thing. It moves, you see. Then become big. From small become big. Tree is the same. So this one also they need water. Something need water, all living things. So you color this, color this, color this. Okay? And then you color this. So Now you understand what is living things and non-living things? Non-living things do not need food, do not need water. So they be like that. They cannot, their size will be the same. So they can live for long, they can be there for long, many, many years. But here this one, no, they can't. Okay? So now you understand living things and non-living things. Okay, children? Okay, that's all for now for this lesson on the park. 2 minutes and the next lesson. Bye.